A narrative project is a project that tells a story, and a story involves actors, characters playing parts with roles. We're going to make a very short narrative story in this class, aim for something between 2 and 5 minutes. But in order to work, it has to have a few basic things, and this story planning sheet will walk you through them. First of all, we need to have a conflict. Conflict means something is wrong, someone wants something that they can't have. So no story works without some kind of conflict, which might be internal conflict or external conflict. In the story that I'm telling today, we have a character named Linda, and Linda believes that dating Joe would make her life complete. She's a big zero because Joe won't even give her the time of day, and she needs to figure out a way to get Joe to like her somehow, and that's the conflict. Now, how is this going to be resolved? The resolution usually comes by the end of the video, and that's when the character does or does not get what they wanted from the conflict. And in my case, Linda is going to learn that being obsessed with getting someone else to like you is probably not all that healthy, because she probably just didn't even like herself well enough in the first place. People aren't going to notice you unless you like yourself, so over the course of this story, she's going to learn to be comfortable with who she is. And as a result, at the end of our video, that confidence is going to get her noticed by some other guy named Harold, who she ends up having an even more honest relationship with. So a basic idea of all movies is they have a conflict, and then that conflict is resolved or not resolved, but somehow addressed by the end of the story.